Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 from troubleshooter. To start, enter troubleshoot in the search box. Click on troubleshoot other problems. After that, in the audio section, click on run. As you can see, a wizard will open with which you can interact to find a solution to the sound device error. Chapter 2. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 enabling speakers. To start, enter sound in the search box. Click on change system sounds. Now, in the playback tab, right-click on the speaker and select enable. Click on OK. Chapter 3. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 from Device Manager. To start, right-click on Start and open Device Manager. After that, in Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click on the driver and select the Enable Device option. Wait for it to be enabled. Chapter 4. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 from services. To start, open System Services from the search box. After this, double-click on the Windows Audio service. Now click Start to activate the service. Apply these changes. Chapter 5. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. Here, in Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click on the driver and then click on Uninstall Device. Confirm this action. After a moment, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see the driver is enabled again. Chapter 6. How to fix error. No audio output device is installed Windows 11 updating system. To start, from Start, open Settings. You are going to go to Windows Update to validate if there is an update available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.